In this video, I'm going to show you the possible setup if you would like to use the Maonocaster Lite on TikTok and Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. And now let me show you the things we will need in this setup. So this device here, this is the phone we will be using to open the TikTok or Instagram account, and of course this is the Maonocaster Lite, and this one here, the iPad, would be the source of our background music. If you will not be adding a background music, then you don't need this one. And we will be using also a BM800 condenser microphone, and the cord that goes along with that is this one, XLR to 3.5 mm. And we will need two of this one, so TRRS, the one that has 3 lines on both ends, and this normally comes when you buy a Maonocaster Lite. And I will be using an earphone to monitor the audio, and the lightning audio adapter here I will need because the device I'll be using for doing the TikTok or Instagram doesn't have an audio jack on it. And now let's start the connection. So the connection is very self-explanatory. So this one, of course, we will connect to this BM800 condenser microphone, and then the other end we will connect to here. Okay, there are 2 ports here for the mic. We can just pick one, mic 1 or 2. Maybe let's use mic 2. And now this TRRS on here we will connect from, let's say, pad 1, 2 or 3. You just select which one. So maybe let's use pad 1 output. So this is the one we will be connecting to this phone, because again, this is the phone we will be using to open the TikTok or Instagram account. Okay, so we will connect this lightning audio adapter, and then we'll connect this one here. Okay, and this other TRRS we will connect to the one that says music input to this iPad. And by the way, you can also connect them wirelessly using Bluetooth. Let's say, for example, the device you're using as a source of your background music does not support Bluetooth, then this is the way how to connect them. So connect it from here, the one that says music input. And then the other end, just locate the headphone port of that device, which is over here. And the last one, we will be connecting the earphone to monitor the audio. So we will connect this one to the output. I suggest connect it to the one that says output, because if you are using a headset, so the one that has built-in microphone on it, it will also pick up some voices. So you will have a double voice from the microphone here and also the built-in microphone of your headset. So I suggest, if you do not want that way, if you want to use only the audio or the condenser microphone here, then connect your headset to the one that says output. There you go, we're all set. Okay, let me show you first my settings on here. So maybe I'm just gonna set my microphone to maybe 2 o'clock, and then I'm just gonna set my echo to 0, and then my music maybe at about 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. And for the equalizers here, if you do not know what to do, you can just set all 3 of them at the middle. So something like that. And always remember, if you're doing live streaming, even on TikTok or Instagram, make sure your record volume knob here is on high, if not at the max. Otherwise, there won't be no audio on your streaming if this is at 0. If you're doing a live streaming or recording, just make sure your record volume knob here is on high, if not at the max. And the loop back button on here, just so you know, it doesn't matter, because we are doing the live streaming or you are recording from a device, not from a laptop. So it only matters if you are doing live streaming or recording from a laptop. So loop back here doesn't matter if it's on or off. Let's say, for example, you're doing a live streaming, the side chain does work also. So if you press this one, your background music goes down, and then when you stop talking, your background music goes up. And the music only, you can use this one if you are, let's say, doing a karaoke and you want to convert that song into a karaoke song, or -1, the one that has vocals, then this is the use of that. And okay, maybe let's test first the TikTok. So unfortunately, I cannot do a live streaming because I don't have that required followers yet, because I'm only using the TikTok whenever I am doing my tutorial. Okay, let's set this one to 3 minutes. So what I'll do is I'm just going to record as if I'm going to post that on my account. And let's say we're going to record a short sample for a song, and then we will post that on TikTok. Okay, so let's use this karaoke song from here. Okay, sound check, testing 1 2. I'm just gonna set now my echo to, let's set it to maybe 50% or number 5. And now let's do a sample by recording a short portion of the song to your TikTok account. Let's say, for example, to post on TikTok. Okay, I'll be using this background music on there, and I'm going to hit record now from here. And also on here. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. And now let's stop it from here. And let's stop this one also over here. And of course from here, just simply tap the check mark over there and hit next. And then maybe let's name this one as a testing cover. Okay, and let's post it. Okay, there you go, it's done. Okay, let's check. I'm gonna remove this one here so you can hear as well. Okay, let me turn the volume from here. Okay, there you go. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises. Okay, there you go. So as you noticed, it did work. And I believe the setup here would be the same as if you were doing your live streaming on TikTok. For example, you find that the vocals is louder. So simply lower your volume from here and then increase your music. So it's all up to you to test, which is, I should say, you should do a test first before you even start your streaming or recording. And for example, if you're doing streaming, of course, you can use this preset sound effects on here, plus if you recorded your customized sound effects on here, you can use them as well. And also the pitch on here, like to change your voice, you can use them as well. That is for sure for, let's say you want to entertain people. And now let's do a test. Let's say, for example, you are doing your live streaming and you want to use the sidechain here. So what it does is it's supposed to lower the volume of your background music as you talk, but when you stop talking, the volume of that background music should go up. Okay, let's test it again by recording. Okay, so let's play this music here, and I'm gonna record now over here, and I'm gonna turn on the sidechain. Okay, now that the sidechain is on, as you notice, you could hardly hear the background music I am playing, but when I stop talking, the volume of that background music I am playing should go up. There you go. So again, this is the same as if you are, let's say, doing a live streaming, and if you want to use the sidechain feature or button on here. Okay, let's pause now this background music, and let's turn off the sidechain. Okay, let's now stop the recording from here. And now let's do a test, the music only feature on here. So what it is you are somehow converting a song that has vocals into a karaoke, and then you can sing along with that. Okay, let's hit record now from here. And let's say you are doing a song cover, and you want to use this feature, the music only. Most likely you will use this one if you're doing a live streaming, which is the setup would be the same. Okay, let's play this one here. People come and go. Okay, there you go. So as you notice, it has vocals on it. If I'm going to turn on the music only, there you go. So now that the music only is turned on, you could hardly hear not you could hardly, it's still there, but somehow it converted into a karaoke song. There you go. Okay, so now, if for example, you want to sing along with that, of course you can. Okay, let's give it a sample. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price of fate is high enough for me. Okay, let me pause Now from here, and I'm going to stop over here. There you go. That's going to be the setup if you're going to use or connect your Maonocaster Lite for TikTok. And now let's do a test connecting the Maonocaster Lite on Instagram. Let's say, for example, you are doing a live streaming. So right now I had turned on already my Instagram account and I'm ready to go live. Let's hit start now on here. Okay, there you go. So I am now on live. The setup would be, or the settings or setup would be the same as if you are doing a TikTok streaming or recording. So let's first test it with the music only. So let's play this one here. Let me show you that it has vocals. And if you want to sing along with that, to turn this one to a karaoke song, you can. Okay, because we are maybe sing along with that, let's add some reverberation. There you go. Let's play this one first.
The way that people come and go.
There you go. So as you notice, it has vocals. If I'm going to tap the music only, there you go. So as you notice, it somehow converted that into a karaoke song. And if you want to sing along with that, you can, same as TikTok. Okay, let's do a little short sample. No promises, let's see. It's simple, but freedom only helps to say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn. There you go. So as you notice, it does work. That is how to use that music only feature. And now let's use the sidechain on here. So sidechain, same as on TikTok or other platform for streaming, is supposed to go down the volume of that background music you're playing, and as you stop talking, the volume of your background music you're playing should go up. Let's give it a try. Okay, so it's now on, and if I'm going to turn on the sidechain, there you go, sidechain is on, and I am talking. As you notice, you could hardly hear the background music I'm playing, but when I stop talking, it should go up. There you go, that is the use of the sidechain. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the loop back doesn't matter if it's on or off because we are not doing the live streaming from a laptop. We're doing from this device on here. So this one doesn't matter. And again, because you are doing a live streaming, it's up to you if you want to use the preset sound effects on here. Let's say, for example, awkward or slapping. Okay, so something like that. You can use them. And if you recorded some, let's say, customized sound effects on here, you can play them as well. Please subscribe for more videos. So something like that if you have recorded, if you use these buttons on here. And so again, for your equalizer here, as I mentioned earlier, it's up to you to play around or set or test whatever is your preferred vocals. And most likely for talking only, let's say for not singing purposes, you can either lower the echo on here or you can select the original. So original, even if the echo here is up, there won't be no reverberation, same as I showed you earlier for TikTok. And you can also change your voice if you would like by pressing the pitch button on here.
There you go, sound check.
And then the next one.
And then the next one.
Okay, and if you want to use the auto tune, you can also by pressing this one here, and as you keep pressing it, it changes your voice tone. Most likely you will use this one for maybe singing purposes. Okay, so that is A major. This is the B flat major. Okay, this is the B major. Okay, there you go. So that is the auto tune. If you would like to use them and to stop, just simply press and hold. It should turn off that feature. As I mentioned earlier, you can connect the background music wirelessly or using Bluetooth. So what you do is, let's remove this cord here. So what you do is go to the settings of that device. Okay, so from here, so we're now on settings and go to Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. And Maonocaster here is already connected. So that means if I'm going to play a background song on here, it should be now connected to this Maonocaster Lite. Okay, let's go back to the YouTube. Okay, so we're back to YouTube, and as you notice, I'm not connecting anymore this TRRS cord on here. Let's play this one again. Okay, so same as earlier, as I showed you, to control the volume of your background music, it's going to be on here or from this device itself. Let's say how loud it is already over here. Okay, so we're about 90%. Okay, let's play this one again just to check how loud it is. Okay, there you go. If you find it loud, then just lower it from here or turn it up like that. Okay, and if you want to, let's say, sing along to your viewers, or let's say do a karaoke on your streaming, you can. Okay, let's do it. Let's do a short sample. Okay, let's just add reverberation. Okay, let's play this one. And now I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and cool enough to think that's what I find. Okay, there you go. Then that's going to be your audio output if you are going to do, let's say, a karaoke on your streaming. And again, you can control how much echo or your reverberation from here. If you want it to the max, then it sounds like that. And if you want it, let's say 50%, then the reverberation sounds like that. So it's all up to you, whatever is your preferred vocals. You can perhaps use the pop, so pop sounds like that. Or MC sounds like that. There's not much of reverberation if you prefer that vocal tone. If you would like to watch my detailed review on this Maonocaster Lite, I'm going to add a link under the description. Shout out to the Royandoyan family, mother and father side of Bea Rosales. And shout out also ha akong mga kapaturan, Dida Hailcano. Thank you all guys for supporting my channel. May God bless you all. And that's all I can share for today. Thanks again guys for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a like, and if you want more of this type of videos, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.